Christopher Mutsvangwa, a seasoned veteran of Zimbabwe's liberation struggle, now embroiled in a whirlwind of political and familial drama. In a dramatic twist, Christopher, once a stalwart member of the ZANU-PF party and a respected minister, finds himself ousted from his cabinet position. But the real heat comes from the recent arrest of his son, Neville Mutsvangwa. Neville's caught up in a scandal involving illegal foreign currency trading and unauthorized use of Starlink technology. Imagine that, selling high-tech gear in defiance of national regulations. But here's where it gets even more interesting. At a press conference, amidst the chaos, Christopher Mutsvangwa stands firm. He doesn't just deny the allegations against him, he declares himself a child of the revolution. That's a powerful statement, steeped in the history of Zimbabwe's fight for independence. It's not just a denial, it's a proclamation of his lifelong dedication to the country. The implications of this saga are massive. We're not just talking about one man or one family. This touches on issues of governance, accountability, and the shadow of nepotism. Remember, President Emmerson Mnangagwa's recent cabinet appointments have sparked accusations of favoritism, further complicating the political landscape. So what's next for the Mutsvangwas and for Zimbabwe? As the lines between personal actions and public accountability blur, the nation watches and waits. The story of a revolution's child, caught between his past contributions and present controversies, continues to unfold. Stay tuned, this is far from over. And remember, in the intricate dance of politics, every step, every misstep, and every leap is watched by an audience that never forgets. Until next time, feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates.